Hello everyone, let's start by discussing the types of triangles. We have an acute angle triangle. In an acute angle triangle, all three interior angles are acute, meaning that they are less than 90 degrees. Like triangle ABC, we can see that this angle is an acute angle, this is an acute angle, this is an acute angle. So this is a good example of an acute angled triangle. Then the next one, we have the right angle triangle. This is a triangle with a right angle. So it means its largest angle is a 90-degree angle. And then we have the two other acute angles, like triangle ABC. We can see that the largest angle here is a right angle. We can see that by this symbol, which is for a 90-degree angle. The other name for a 90-degree angle is a right angle. And when it comes to right angle triangle, we have to remember the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, where the hypotenuse squared, in this case our hypotenuse is AC. How do we see that AC is the hypotenuse? It is the side opposite the 90-degree angle, and it is the longest side. So AC squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. AC squared is equal to BC squared plus AB squared. That's the Pythagoras theorem. Then the reason you can just write Pythagoras. You have to remember that we have an obtuse angle triangle. This is a triangle with the largest angle being obtuse. Like we have angle B here, which is 120 degrees. 120 degrees is greater than 90. So that's why this was referred to as an obtuse. It can be an obtuse scalene triangle if all the sides are different and all the angles are different. It can be referred to as an obtuse scalene triangle. We have the scalene triangle. All angles are different in size. Like you can check here. All the angles are different in size and all the sides are different in length. That's a scalene triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides that are equal. Two sides are equal and the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. Why do we use this reason? The base of a triangle will depend on the perpendicular height. Right, like this one here, this is the perpendicular height, so BC becomes the base. We can also have this as the perpendicular height, and then AB is the base. But angle A and angle B are not equal. So we don't use the reason which says base angles are equal. We say angles opposite equal sides. For this triangle, we'll say the sides AB is equal to AC. And then the reason we write, we say sides opposite equal angles. Sides opposite equal angles. And then you can also say angle B is equal to angle C. These are angles opposite equal sides. These are angles opposite equal sides. So take note of these two. In an equilateral triangle, the three sides are equal and the interior angles are each equal to 60 degrees. So meaning that this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. So for triangle ABC, you can say AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, since triangle ABC is equilateral. And then also we can say that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. And then since triangle ABC is equilateral. So basically these are the type of triangles that we deal with. The next tutorial is about the properties of triangles.